G'day folks, welcome to the show. Tonight's episode, I'm sick of just sitting my panniers here, there and everywhere when I'm washing and cleaning the bike. I'm going to have a crack at building a pannier stand, so I can put my panniers to the side while I'm cleaning or working on my bike without them falling over and damaging. Let's get started, get stuck into it. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Big Bert. Join me and occasionally my daughter Squirt while we explore the beautiful state of Tasmania. From beautiful oceans and rivers to amazing mountains and everything in between. Come with us for an adventure in this amazing place, the island state. Down under, down under. I decided to use some 25mm PVC pipe and fittings. 4 short lengths was enough. 10 90-degree elbows, 4 T sections. Cut the stroke pipe into lengths. There was Let's have a look at how we put all that together. Four at 40 centimetres. So I'm just going to put it all together now. Notice that I'm wearing my Bikes, Burgers and Beers top, referencing my inner mechanic. While I do this, make sure when you glue these together you get everything square, otherwise you're going to end up in strife down the track. Take your time, get this glue on, you don't need a lot of it. Ping it together. Make sure your joints are square to each other, the most important part. Make sure they're square. It's just a matter of putting it all together now, just making sure everything's square as you go. So let's finish off. And then there were 2 bits. Let's put this thing together. This one. So when you're washing your bike, it's always nice to take these things off. Give them a really good clean. Got the Kiriakin pads on there, which are the knees. See what you miss? You gotta take that shit off.